Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs, boats, and jet skis are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this 2005 Sea-Doo RXT 4-stroke 2-seater jet ski. Overall, it's in excellent condition. This is supercharged. Show you the engine here real quick. This is a 4-stroke, 215 horsepower, 3-cylinder motor.
I'm going forward, brother. Where's all the rest of the covers at?
If you want to come and see the jet ski, you deal directly with the owner. Just call the number on the ad. If you enjoyed this video, you can always subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.